There. Lucky. I remember way back when I found out about life, about the food chain, the things that we like. When I strung my first fishing pole and I tied my first hook, and when I got strong enough to toss it in the wind, and me and my daddy went down to the middle bridge where the river flows fast and the rainbow trout live. And the lightning strikes again, and the lightning strikes again. Grab that old fishing pole and I toss it in the wind as far as I could see. And this old feeling come over me like I'm standing still in time, you see. Fishing pole, oh my magic fishing pole. I keep the line tied in case there's a fight. I keep that reel lubed and it's really nice. Oh my magic pole, oh my magic fishing pole. Know your chain of life and our hearts are feeding right. Reeling that fishing, gonna feel good tonight. I can remember when I found out about life, about the food chain and the things that we like. When I tied my first string and I grabbed my first hook and I cast that thing to the wind. Oh, I remember when I found out about life, about the food chain and all the fish we like. Yeah, I can remember when I found out about life, about all these fish and the things I like to eat. Oh, my magic, oh, my magic